God bless everyone. My name is Rebecca Gonzalez, and I'm a member here at Hope and Restoration Church. And I'm here to invite you to join in every Tuesday at 7 p.m. for our online Bible study class. And if you go to Hope and Restoration's page on Facebook, you will see us at 7 p.m. every Tuesday. We give a lesson that lasts anywhere from 15 to half an hour long. And each lesson every Tuesday is a powerful lesson. We reference scripture. We also tell stories that that are in the Bible. We give testimony on how maybe that lesson that we're teaching for that day has impacted our lives in some way. We ask that when you join in at 7 p.m. that you also share the video with others, because like I say on Tuesday, you never know when someone could have used, or the lesson that we're giving could have helped somebody that day. Once again, we ask that you join in every Tuesday at 7 p.m. on Hope and Restoration's Facebook page. Thank you, and God bless everyone.